everyone, it's Martha here with you today. I have a folio to share with you, but before we get going, welcome to my channel, and if you haven't subscribed, please do. It makes my day every time I see a new subscriber, and go ahead and click the like on this video. So let's get started. So I created another folio like the graduation one I had just done. So it's the exact same style and the same tutorial works on this one that I just created. So for this one I used two collections. I used the Simple Stories Say Cheese 3 for this one. And I also used Color Play, so again, Photo Play, A Day at the Park. And it's such a cute collection. They're both great collections and they actually complement each other really well. And then the ephemera I used is from Echo Park and it's called Magical Adventure. So they all just worked really well together. So here's the folio. So on the front I again created a pocket with the twine closure like this. And again has a nice deep 1/4 inch gusset in there, and it just closes right back up. It again measures 6.5 by 8. So I again left the spine pretty plain. On this time on the back I did a pocket. Just I thought for extra photos, if they don't fit in the front pocket, if you still has, because it is a Disney album, so I'm guessing there are a lot of photos. And so I did an extra pocket back here so you could fit a few more things. And this is just one of the sheets of paper from the Simple Stories collection. So, and then again, I used some pattern paper here on the 7/8 of an inch gussets here. And then to tie this one up, I used some, it's kind of like a hemp ribbon. Really cute, really soft. And I think I got it at Michael's at some point. So let's get into it. So when you get in there, this is what you see. So it again has the two gate folds on either side. This one these ones I put a little pocket in just by gluing down only 3 sides of the paper, and then this is just one of the little cut aparts from the collection there. And then let's start on this side over here. So it opens like this, and there is an acetate pocket here. So room for a nice big photo, and then there is a angle pocket here, and then there's just my cut apart in there, and I just attached a little galvanized steel clip there with one of the cut aparts. And then we flip open and we've got a stacked pocket, and then here I just glued down just the bottom of one of the ephemera tags, and I put a little 3x3 photo mat there. And at the top here there is another pocket for a tag and a 4 1/4 by 6 1/4 photo mat. And then it flips down, and in the center here we have a nice big waterfall. Really nice. And then this is just one of the little ephemera pieces that I stuck back here, and it does have a magnetic closure. And then down here there is a matching pocket to the one up there just for a little tag for some journaling. So that finishes up this side. So moving over here, again, there is the gatefolds. And these are from the cut aparts from the photo play collection from A Day at the Park. And these pieces in here that I glued back here, they're from the Simple Stories collection. So really cute. Remember the magic with the castle, and that's another acetate pocket there. And there's another angle pocket. And again, they do mirror each other on both sides. And again, I put put a little galvanized clip there with one of the ephemera tags. So it flips up, and there is the pockets in here, the matching pockets that have the twine closure. So really nice, and I just have some 4x6 photo mats in there. And then it just closes back up, and then this one is the same. Just opens up, and then it has the 4x6 photo mats. And then under this pocket, if we fold it back up, we have the side-to-side opening there with the magnetic closure. So really nice. And for this one, I thought it would be really good because when you go to Disneyland, you get signatures from the people there. So I thought it'd be really cool to fill these with signatures from your Disneyland trip. So fold that back down. And then we go to the back here, and there's a 4 1/4 by 4 1/4 waterfall here. This is one of the ephemera pieces. Really cute. And then it closes back up. And then down here, there is a simple pocket with a large photo mat. You can put photos on either side. And again, it has the ephemera with the galvanized tag, or the galvanized clip on there. So really cute. So yeah, these collections work so well together. Really, really nice. And I will link the tutorial for this one below, so that if you want to give it a try, that you can do that. So thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.